Today we will learn about WH word. You must use them to speak fluent English because WH word helps you to ask questions. If you know these, you can easily ask questions in English. You must learn to ask questions when speaking English. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English fluently. So, today I will teach you how to use them very easily.
What? Ask for information. What time is it? What time is it? What does it mean? What does it mean? What is your name? What is your name? What are you doing? What are you doing? When? Ask about time. When can we eat? When can we eat? When did he leave? When did he leave? When will he go? When will he go? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Where? Ask about places. Where is my book? Where is my book? Where is your father? Where is your father? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where are you going? Where are you going? Why? Ask about reason. Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why is he crying? Why is he crying? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? Whose? Ask about position. Whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this? Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? Whose bike is this? Whose bike is this? Which? Ask about choices. Which do you want? Which do you want? Which is your bag? Which is your bag? Which is better? Which is better? Which one is real? Which one is real? Who? Ask about people. Who broke this? Who broke this? Who is there? Who is there? Who are you? Who are you? Who stole the apple? Who stole the apple? Whom? Ask about people. Whom did you see? Whom did you see? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? How? Ask about process and manner. For example, how are you? How are you? How is your dad? How is your dad? How was your day? How was your day? How did you make it? How did you make it?
I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.